Stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo renovation with new hardwood foyer and steps opening to a classy formal living room with marble floors, center fireplace west/gas logs and painted bookcases. The dining room opens to bright sunroom with window walls of light to&a large terrace. The gourmet kitchen features spacious cabinets, stainless appliances and granite tops with decorative backsplash and tile floors. The bedrooms have new hardwood floors and bathrooms are updated with tile and glass showers, heated towel bars and awesome fixtures and hardware.Enjoy the tranquil wooded setting and a peaceful lifestyle with a gated secuirty of the Westlands. Yearly life cycle contribution of $12.55 year. Draperies and hardware in kitchen and master bedroom, and TVs do not convey.